In today's video, I'm going to teach you GetFormly form templates explained. We'll start on the GetFormly website. After logging into your account, head to the dashboard and click Create Form. From here, it's helpful to understand what templates are really for. Templates give you a faster way to build a form without starting from zero, which can save a lot of time when you already have a general use case in mind. Next, choose Use Template to open the template library. This is where you can browse the available categories and look through different examples. Formly includes templates for marketing, coaching, business, education, healthcare, quizzes, calculators, and payment forms. So there's a good range to explore depending on what you need as you browse. Take a look at several common template types, including contact forms, lead qualification forms, client intake forms, customer feedback surveys, event registration forms, personality quizzes, quote calculators, and payment forms. Each one is built for a different purpose. For example, a contact form is great for simple inquiries, while a client intake form is better when you need to collect more detailed information. A quiz or calculator can also help create a more interactive experience. Once you find a template that fits your goal, click Preview. Go through the form the same way a respondent would. This lets you review the questions, layout, design, and any interactive elements before adding it to your workspace. It's a useful step because you can quickly see whether the structure matches your needs. If it looks good, click Use this template. Formly will add it to your workspace and open it in the editor. From there, give the form a name and get it ready for customization. You'll also notice that many templates already include pre-built questions, logic, quiz scoring, design styling, and sometimes images. That built-in setup is one of the biggest benefits of starting with a template. Now review each question carefully. Edit the wording to fit your use case, remove anything you don't need, add new questions where needed, and reorder them by dragging and dropping in the editor. And just a quick note, if you want to try this yourself, you can use the affiliate link in the description. Now let's keep going. Open the design section to view the existing theme. You can adjust colors, fonts, logos, or backgrounds as needed, and the theme is also added to My Theme so you can reuse it later. You can even keep the design while deleting the original questions and building an entirely different form with the same visual style. After that, open the logic section to review any conditional logic already included. Check how different answers affect the next question or ending and update the logic if needed. Then click Preview again and test the full experience using sample answers. Make sure the design, navigation, scoring, and conditions all work properly. When everything looks right, click Publish and copy the publish form URL. That published version is the one you'll share with respondents. You can also use the import form option to bring in a template from another Formly account using its template URL, then edit it inside your own workspace. As a general rule, use a template when you want to build faster, need inspiration, want pre-built logic or scoring like an existing design, or need a strong starting point. Start from scratch when your form has very specific requirements and you want full control from the beginning. To recap, the process is simple. Create a form, use a template, preview it, add it, customize it, test it, and publish it. Formly templates can help you create forms much faster, and if you want to try GetFormly for yourself, check out the affiliate link in the description.